Hello everybody, welcome to the railway. It's Sunday afternoon, about 4:30, and we've got Ginty doing a little bit of work on the railway. She's towing a rake of wagons. This is the one that we modified with the extra weight and a good clean up of all the pickups. And as you can see, she's just trundling around nice and slowly. We'll get a close up of her later on. I've made a little Hornby footbridge. I had to super glue this together. It was a pain, to be quite honest with you. I don't know how a child is meant to make this, or maybe I'm just an old, an old fuddy-duddy. But really, it just kept pinging apart and bits and pieces. Ended up holding a bit of super glue in place. Anyway, it's built now. Looks very neat, I thought. Here's Ginty, trundling around. Really nice, slow, steady speed. But really what I wanted to talk about today was cleaning the wheels of your locomotives. And what I found really, to start off with, I purchased this. Just move this little 04 out the picture. I purchased this from I think it was Woodland Scenics, and it's called Track Tidy, and it's basically what's meant to happen is you can either use the little jack plug which goes into the end, and then you can clip each of the crocodile clips to each of the rails, and then you place your locomotive on here, and it takes power from these couple of copper strips and cleans the wheels. Or it has pickups underneath and a slotted channel, as you can see, and these pickups here, and there's some pickups at this end. So what you can do is you can place your track tidy on your track, and then place your locomotive on it, and oh, there we go, it's going, and it's and it's meant to clean your wheels of your loco. There it is, going round. What I found is it's an absolute load of rubbish. Save your money, don't buy one. This is my opinion. The other pads that come with it, I've had no end of trouble trying to get any decent length of locomotive on it, and trying to get the wheels to make contacts with these copper strips. I've had no joy at all, to the point where I've basically not bothered with it anymore. Anyway, what I would suggest in buying is one of these. It's made by Trix. There's little Ginty coming past again. It's made by Trix, which is a German company. All I can say is you get what you pay for. I think I paid roughly £25 for that. And to be quite honest with you, what a waste of money. This was right. Okay, if you buy this off eBay, from Trix themselves, they're selling these for roughly 20 odd pounds. Early 20s, 21, 22 pounds, something like that. If you go, which I did, to the people that manufacture this piece of equipment, which is Conrad Electronics. I'll open the box so you can get a better picture. If you purchase this from Conrad, you get it for virtually half price. Comes in a Trix box, but it's got their branding on it, not Trix. Get it for roughly half the price. Anyway, just going to do a little bit of a Google search, etc. This works in a similar way. Sometimes you might have to put two of these together if you want to basically, if you look at one end, you've got like a tongue and groove, if you will. And you've got the pickups, but what this is lots and lots of, it's like a tiny, what's the word I'm looking for? Like a brush, if you will, like a tiny copper brush. So again, put it on your track, get your loco, and place the loco on, and there we go. And with the copper bristles, Can move it back and forwards. Sorry, Ginty's coming past again. Just do a little shot of Ginty. There she goes, pottering round. Anyway, put this little one back on top. So you can just hold the locomotive very gently, move it backwards and forwards, and it's because the bristles are copper, the picking up makes a beautiful job of cleaning your locomotive wheels. And like I say, you can put as many of these together as you want with the tongue and groove section. If you've bought one of these and had some success with it, maybe it's something that I'm doing, but to be quite honest with you, I found it absolutely useless. It was Jim from, now I'll probably get this wrong, I think his channel's called Hover Motion, who uses one of these. Graham Falston also uses one, but I just managed to stumble across the manufacturer of them. So there you go, Conrad Electronic. Do a search, they're based in the UK, they manufacture these, and save yourself some money. So little Ginty's coming back round again, and that's about it for today. I won't get a chance now till next weekend to do any videos, so again, if any of these tips are helpful to you, great stuff. Because at the end of the day, it's all about sharing your knowledge and bits and pieces, and these are just my opinions. They're just bits and pieces that I've come across in my time, in very short time in doing this. Really, only started in the end of 2013 stroke 2014 is when I started, and it's just bits I've picked up off the YouTube channel as I've gone on. Anyway, thank you all for watching. Hope you have a good week next week, and speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.